Spaghetti squash is a nutritious, low-calorie vegetable that comes with several health benefits. Here are the main ones. Low in calories, high in nutrients. About 1 cup of cooked spaghetti squash has only 40 calories. It contains vitamins A, C, B6 and folate, plus minerals like potassium, manganese and calcium. Its low energy density makes it a great option for weight management. Provides dietary fiber that supports healthy digestion, helps regulate blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. Fiber also promotes heart health by lowering cholesterol. With a low glycemic index, spaghetti squash doesn't spike blood sugar as quickly as refined carbs or pasta. It's a good alternative for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Contains antioxidants such as beta-carotene, lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect against cell damage and support eye health. Antioxidants also play a role in reducing inflammation. The potassium content helps regulate blood pressure. Fiber improves cholesterol levels and supports overall cardiovascular function. Its noodle-like texture makes it a popular low-carb, gluten-free alternative to traditional pasta. Helps cut down on calories while still providing bulk and satisfaction in meals. Beta-carotene and vitamin C help maintain vision, skin integrity and immune defense. Spaghetti squash is light, nutrient-dense and versatile. It helps with digestion, weight management, blood sugar control and heart health, while also providing antioxidants that protect your eyes, skin and immune system.